Welcome to your first Sweetmyo session. I'll guide you through everything so you feel comfortable and confident using the suit. Sweetmyo is safe, simple, and once you start, you'll feel your body waking up in a natural and progressive way. Put on your Sweetmyo suits just like normal activewear. Make sure the pads sit smoothly on your skin. This keeps the signal even. If you want, you can use a little water to soften the current, especially if you have dry skin or if you have more body hair. And wear the suit for a few minutes, your body heat will take care of it. Make sure your Sweetmyo pants are pulled up high enough. They should sit just below your belly button, but not at your waist. This helps the electrode pads connect with the right muscle groups. Now, connect the hub and open the Sweetmyo app. The app checks your signal, temperature, and safety automatically. Once you see check complete, you're ready to start. It's that simple. Choose a training mode, begin with a low intensity, around 15 to 20%, then increase around 3% per minute the first time you use the suit, just so you could get used to the feeling. You'll feel a calm, rhythmic pulse, not painful, just your muscles starting to work. Stay relaxed and let your body adapt. If you don't feel much yet, that's normal. Some areas only activate at slightly higher levels, so increase the intensity slowly. Some people might also like to combine the session with a light workout. This is perfectly fine and can also increase results. As you increase the intensity, more muscle groups begin to respond. Sweetmyo is designed so that activation builds gradually. You'll notice new areas engaging as you go higher. If you feel a gentle warmth, that's a good sign. It means the deep muscle fibers are joining in. Beyond the standard full body activation, don't forget to explore the special function for the back of your thighs. It specifically targets your pelvic floor and core strength. That's the key to deep stability. When the session ends, you may feel a soft tingling for a minute or two. That's completely normal, it's just the muscles settling down after deep activation. Each session lasts 20 minutes and the suit has 5000 mAh battery that can last 40 minutes. So feel free to try other training modes to experience different muscle activations. And that's it, it's that simple. Just 20 minutes a day and you'll feel more awake, lighter, and stronger.